can you not know the price? Why? It finished.
More people. It's not from Ghana. It's not from Ghana.
You're lying.
Don't lie.
ตามติดชีวิตมานานตอนนี้นะคะเจฟฟี่ก็จะพาคุณผู้ชมมาช้อปปิ้งซื้อน้ำเดี๋ยวเราจะมาเหมาไปแจกกันปะมาดามให้ This is how much? 28. How many? 12? And madam, how about this one?
43.5.
43. Which one should we buy? Madam, this one how much? Finish! Hey! You have good business here. Madam! Madam! 22.50. Okay. Do you have Coke? Do you have other?
Only this time we have.
Only this one. Why? Okay, I want this one 20.
20.
And this one 20.
This one there.
It finished. Hey. Henry, everything finished.
Because today is a holiday.
It's a holiday.
Then we see
Oh.
one, and then you buy this one some. Small, plenty. Don't get one thing, then take go. No.
Okay.
Yeah, so that everybody will have variety.
Hey, I see something, Henry. Do you know it's come from my country?
Come for your country.
Yeah, I'm from Thailand.
I thought you were.
Oh, I come from Thailand.
Hey, I thought
Country.
you were a Chinese.
No, I'm from Thailand.
And you have lots of your products here. You have lots of rice,
Really?
Thailand rice and all that.
Oh, okay.
And then we have BB cocktail, Yambi. We have all
What
this
is
one.
yumby?
Bubble up. These are very nice. This is soda drink.
This one?
Now this one is fruity cola.
Oh, I've never seen it before.
Yeah, it's very nice.
From which country? Ghana?
If it's from Ghana, you buy. Let me see.
Spain? It's from Spain. How about this one? American
cola.
Cola.
Yeah.
How much?
Let's list all the things you want. Okay.
I want to know the price before
Yes,
I want.
I'll list them and then give you the price.
Oh, okay. American
American
Cola. Yummy. Vitamin. But you guys like vitamin, right? Ghanaian people.
Yeah, they like vitamins. We have chin chin too. Chin chin one is this one.
What is chin chin? Can I try now?
Hey, you buy.
Yes, I buy.
You try. You buy the whole thing.
The whole thing?
Yes.
No problem.
Are you drinking it?
Yes, I'm buying it.
You are buying it.
Ah!
Mombo foods in Boncho. Mombo foods.
Okay.
You are taking. Can't you also take some? Omonto, you're better now. You see, it's nice.
Hey, it's nice. From which country?
From Ghana.
Really?
Yeah.
I hope you guys buy it.
It's not from Ghana. It's not from Ghana.
It's from Taiwan.
See?
You're lying.
Not lying.
Okay, it's nice. Madam, it's so nice. You are the manager here?
No, this is the manager.
This is the manager. But you look like his manager.
Yeah.
Because you're sitting down.
Yeah, this girl, you don't sit down.
And manager are walking.
Yes. That is Ghanaian manager for you.
And manager, how can you not know the price?
No.
How can you not know the price?
But she is the one that usually sells to people.
Okay.
So she will know better than I do. Even if I tell you, it might not be the correct thing. You understand?
เป็นผู้จัดการแต่ไม่รู้ราคา This one how much, madam?
87.
Hey! How? Madam, you give me.
Yes, you are giving. You can go everywhere in town. When ask the price of all other stuff, you realize that it's the less expensive.
Are you
You
sure?
you want to trick me? It's the less expensive. You are selling it, you sell it at cost.
I must sell it.
Yeah, I know.
I give it
But
to
we give it to people to also sell so that they can also get.
So this one, American Cola, how
American
much?
Cola is 45.
45? Yummy.
Yambi is 42.
42, 45.
Yeah.
And then this one.
Chin Chin is 87.
And this one. 10. Balakos.
Orange can 20. Which one is this one? Planet Orange can.
The one that I showed you. And you said you want 20. The last one, this. So we reduced the grapes.
No. It's more expensive. This one 35. Wait. Oh, not this one. I want 20. The one that the bubble.
Yeah, bubble. Let's say a 10.
Oh, Dennis.
What?
My bad. I really thought that it's the same price as bubble. That's why I said 20. Make it this one for me, please.
Which was really good.
Make bubble. I want to cancel this one 20. Add it to bubble. Bubble 20.
So you want bubble 20? You don't want American planet orange?
Remove the whole thing. This one, the whole thing.
But it's nice. Too.
It's expensive.
It's not that expensive.
Because that's why I thought the price. No. This one is not. But otherwise, it will be coming from my money. This is the company money. Okay.
But you see, when we refund this 20 for you, you'll still be left with some amount.
Okay, make it easy to understand first. Okay, now I cancel this one, right? So you return 20 for me, and then I use this money to buy something else that what you
Yes,
have
and the
left.
same money left on it, you can't take it outside to be without to shop with it. Do you understand?
Why?
Everything has a system. in
Because
place.
you are the manager, you can help me refund, like she
You
said.
lose socket.
See,
you lose socket.
see, you can do it.
Aha. Yes. Hey, the Fanta. No better. There will be beer with Fanta. Member of Parliament.
Why this and this is gonna give you the power of swallow?
Are you sure?
Yes, try it on! Wow! Wow!
Oh!
Wow!
Si Anthony Mazakta!